Is debt a good or a bad thing? What perceptions do you have about debt? Hello fellow trailblazers, welcome to another video on Money Adventures with TK. It is the 14th of July 2023 and I'm excited to be speaking at the Standard Lesotho Bank Iphe Start-Mo-Lifeng webinar. So what is this webinar about, or what should you expect? So Standard Lesotho Bank has a campaign that's been running for a few months now. I think it started in April 2023 all the way till August 2023. So the idea is taking up a loan rather, a good or a bad thing. So today's conversation really centers around what's the difference between good and bad debt and how you can use debt to acquire assets that can help you build wealth. Now, many times people think that debt is bad. Yes, it could be bad if you use it badly, but debt could also be great if you use it correctly, because you can leverage off debt to literally fast track acquiring your assets, fast track developing your skills, fast track building wealth. So in today's webinar, I'm going to be sharing a couple of highlights I'm going to be sharing a couple of views and opinions on why I believe that using debt strategically can help you acquire assets and build wealth. So join me on this webinar as I take you behind the scenes as to what happens on set and as we get ready for the vlog rather. So stay tuned, and of course if you're new to the channel, my name is TK, and on this channel we bring you fresh content on anything personal finance and business related content. So do not forget to smash that subscribe button, to share this video with family and friends, or this channel rather, with family and friends, and ask them to also smash the subscribe button, but also to leave a comment below and let me know what your views on debt are, some of the mistakes you have made when it comes to debt. And I do believe I have a video that speaks about some of my 7 biggest financial mistakes using debt previously as a 20 plus professional in corporate Lesotho. So leave a comment below and let me know what your mistakes when it comes to debt are or have been, and what the lessons have been. Also, if you have not taken any debt, share your thoughts and views on why you are scared of using debt, or what your beliefs around debt are. And of course, if you have taken up a loan, let me know what you've used that loan for and if it's been beneficial or not. So let's go on this journey and I'll show you behind the scenes as we get ready for the webinar. See you on the flip side. Boom. Alright, so I just got to the venue, getting ready for mic check, sound check, and then getting a face paint. So usually before I step on stage, one of the things that I love to do is just to work with a makeup artist to get my face looking beautiful, glowy, and camera ready, video ready. Yeah, what am I saying? So I'll show you guys what happens behind the scenes, because usually you just see the glitz, the glam, the final product, but what really goes on behind the scenes. So yeah, let's see. It's a bit cold. I'm hoping I'll get a cup of tea soon, because I've had 2 cups of coffee already, so I don't want to have a lot more caffeine to kickstart. So there's the branding behind me, as you can see. Standard Bank Academy. So we're doing makeup. Yep. So face beat. This face will be very different in a short bit. Here we go. That's cold.
I was looking for refreshing.
It is refreshing, but like, Maria, guys, it's quite cold. So for individuals, how much would you charge? So if I was to call you, great, I have a quick video I have to shoot.
For you?
Yes. for a photo shoot that I'm going to. So it's going. I will need your number because my other makeup artist. And then they encourage. Yeah, I can tell you that. No, the time when I was a medical fair, so I've got about 3 that I've been working on. The same weekend, it's not ideal. Oh my. You need somebody to be behind the camera, sit away from it by yourself. Then you charge them for that. Exactly. On the eyeliner. You.
Okay.
Eyeliner on my eyes. I think my eyes are dry, so I think I'm more. I wanna eyeliner. Feeling a bit of ticklish feeling. Woo. It should cost $1 billion to look this good. Check my technique. Boom! Enough to say that if you don't catch anything, it won't do so. And I'm actually good to do that.
Just to give them that motivations and work for having a good dad and it was something to go in now that I come up like that and come up with the videos or changes very eager means but hands gonna
and just like that, we are done with the Iphe Start-Mo-Lifeng webinar 2023 brought to you by Standard Lesotho Bank. So a quick recap of some of the tips I shared during the webinar. Number 1, just because you qualify does not mean that you can afford it. So oftentimes we want to take a bit more than what we had intended to do. So always take just what it is that you need and do what it is that you said you're going to do with the loan. Number 2, understand how interest rates work. Unfortunately, we are in a high interest environment, so it is very important for you to take what it is so that you still have a bit of room to accommodate any movements in the installment, any movements or fluctuations in the interest rate. Number 3, taking insurance to protect your unsecured loan, to insure your car, your home, and your house contents. Insurance is a big part when it comes to wealth creation because you'd want to protect the wealth that you are acquiring. It's hopeless if you are taking this loan to buy assets, but now something goes wrong and you lose that asset. So insurance is very important. Number 4, always make sure that your credit score is in check. What do I mean by a credit score? A credit score is a 3-digit number that basically determines how credit-worthy you are, and this influences so many other factors. For example, whether that loan is approved or not. Number 2, the interest that the financial services provider will charge. And number 3, many other factors. So having a healthy credit score is also very important. So always make sure that you pay your loan installments on time, in full, and that you manage your finances and conduct your account in a proper way. Number 5, not all debt is bad, right? Take a loan to do what it is that you want to achieve and avoid bad debt. Examples of bad debt is where you take a loan to go spend and consume and not necessarily get anything to improve the quality and the standard of your living. Good examples of good debt is you take a loan to further your studies, therefore increasing your employability. You take a loan to start a side hustle, therefore you increase your sources of income. Taking a loan to buy equipment or machinery that can help you start your business, or getting a car for safety and convenience, or also buying a home for security and all that jazz, or buying rental property. So what I'm also doing personally is I'm on an adventure to get a loan to buy the next property because rental income just makes me so happy. So I hope you enjoyed the webinar today, and I hope you've enjoyed this different version of Money Adventures with TK. If you're new to the channel, remember to smash that subscribe button, leave a comment below about what your experience, perceptions, and views around debt are. And of course, let's always remember to take care of our mental health, take care of our finances, and to enjoy life. A very important aspect is to also enjoy our hard-earned money. So until the next video, guys, love, peace, lots of money, lots of wealth, and of course, happiness. I'll see you in the next one. Signing out. Cheers.